Hello there my friends, Erica here from Highway 49 RC. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own bungee cords for your scale trail trucks and other RC vehicles using the Hot Racing 1/10 scale bungee cord kit. Okay, so here's what you get. You get the bungee material, which already has hooks on both ends, so you can just use that as one of your, or you can use one end as part of your bungee. You also have some crimp rings and the hooks that go on the ends of the bungee cord. The only tools that you're going to need to make your bungee cords is a pair of scissors to cut the bungee, a pair of needle nose pliers for the crimp rings, and a flat blade screwdriver. I'll explain the flat blade screwdriver in a little bit. It'll make more sense later. So the first step is you're going to grab your bungee cord that comes in the bungee cord kit and your scissors. Just going to cut the length that you want. I'm going to cut mine at about 4 inches. Next, you're going to take one of the hooks that are supplied, you're going to put it on, and of course I'm doing this with one end already done as it comes in the kit, but if you're making a second one and you don't have a hook on either end, you're just going to basically repeat the step for the other side. First, you're going to put on the hook, and then take one of the crimp rings and slide it onto the bungee cord just like that. You don't want it too far on. I mean, you can put it on however far you want, but close to the edge is pretty good. Alright, so there are different ways to do this crimping step, but this is how I like to do it. First, I'm going to take my needle nose pliers, and with the ring and cord on the table, I'm just going to press down so that it flattens the ring onto the bungee cord like that. Then I'm going to take my flat blade screwdriver. Now this is where the screwdriver comes in, and you're going to take and make a little dent right on the top. You see that? See how it kind of made like a little V on the top? That's exactly what you want. That's going to make sure that it stays nice and tight. Next, you're going to grab the crimp ring in your needle nose pliers, like so. You're going to take your flat blade screwdriver again, put it in the slot you made, and push down with the screwdriver while you squeeze the pair of pliers. And as you can see, it folds it nicely in half, and squeeze it down, and there is your crimped bungee cord. Just like that, super simple. You can see it's folded in half. You can cut off the little fuzzies at the end here, make it look a little bit nicer. You can also use a lighter on them and just kind of melt the tip. I didn't do that, I didn't try that, but I'm sure that it would work fine. And then just slip your hook up over the end, and you've got your bungee cord. Alright, here's that exact same crimping method again, just from a different angle. So you're going to put your hook on the end of your bungee, like so. And you're going to take your ring, your crimp ring, put it on the end as well. And then take the end of your needle nose pliers and set them on top, push down, like that, so it flattens it. As you can see, flattened. Now, take your flat blade screwdriver and push straight down on it like that. And now it has a bit of a kink in it, so you can see. So as you can see, I've grabbed it in my pliers with the kink side up. Now I'm going to take my flat blade screwdriver and push down as I'm squeezing the pliers together. And you'll see that it's now folded up like that and crimped, just like that. And now you've got a bungee cord. And there you have it. 2 bungee cords, perfect for your scale trail vehicles, your SCX-10, your RC4-wheel drive, trail finder, whatever you want to use them for. I think they're great. They're a great scale accessory, and it allows you to add even more scale accessories to your vehicle. You can tie down coolers, blankets, scale tents, whatever you want. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this little tutorial. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, wherever it is down there. Make sure to subscribe. And hit that notification bell also, because my videos have not been going out to all my subscribers. So if you are going to subscribe right now, be sure you do, and click that bell while you're at it. Also, leave a comment, let me know if this video helped you, and tune in next time for something else. We're always doing something fun over here. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.